Good morning, children. Today, our topic is fiber, and we'll learn about it with the help of an activity 3. Take out a yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. Place this piece of yarn on the table. Now, press one end of the yarn with your thumb. You can see in the figure 3.4. With one hand you hold the thread, and with the help of your thumb you just press it and scratch the other end of the yarn along its length with your nail as shown in figure 3.4. In figure 3.4, with the help of your nail you scratch the one end of the yarn. Do you find that at this end, okay, at this end the yarn splits up into thin strands? Okay, you can see in the figure 3.5, when you scratch it with your nail, then this yarn splits into thin strands. Like this is a yarn, okay, and it splits into these strands, or these strands called fiber. Okay, then you might have observed something similar when you try to thread a needle. When you try to pass a thread into needle, then you face some difficulty because of few thin strands. Means these are the strands na. Because of these strands you face difficulty to pass threads into a needle. Suppose this is a needle, and this needle there is a small hole, and when you pass the thread then you find difficulty because of the splits fiber. Okay, then this makes it difficult to pass the thread through the eye of the needle or the hole of the needle. The thin strands of threads that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. Means these are the yarn, this is the yarn, and here the thin strands, or they may be split into the thinner strands. Means the thinner strands, they are called fiber, fibre. Okay, then fabrics are made up of yarns, and yarns are further made up of fibers. It means you have three terms. First term is fiber, then yarn, and then fabric. Okay, fiber is the thinner strands, and yarn means two or more than two threads, they are just like that, and with the help of these yarns we made fabric or cloth. Okay, now the question is, where do these fibers come from? So these fibers either come from these fibers are come from plants or animals, or synthetic in a lab with the help of some chemicals. Means if the fiber obtained from plants and animals, these are called natural fibers. The fibers of some fabrics, such as like cotton is a natural fiber because we obtain cotton from cotton plant. Okay, jute is also obtained from jute plant, means the fiber which obtained from plants are called natural fiber, or the fiber which obtained from animal as well. These are also called natural fibers. Like silk is obtained from silkworm. It is called natural fiber because it is obtained from animals. Wool is also called natural fiber because we can obtain wool from animal like yak, sheep, goat and camel also. Means the fibers which obtained from plants as well as from animals are called natural fibers. Okay. Cotton and jute are example of fibers obtained from plants, hence they are also called plants fibers. Wool and silk fiber are obtained from animals, they are called animal fibers, and they collectively called natural fibers. Okay, again I will tell. Wool is obtained from sheep, camel, goat, yak, etc., and silk is obtained from silkworm. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. Fleece means the soft hair on their body. Soft hair, like on the body, soft hair present on the sheep body, on the body of the sheep or goat. These are called fleece. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbits, yak, camels. Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. It is a larva. Okay, for thousands of years, natural fibers were the only ones available for making fabrics. Means we obtain fabrics only from the natural fibers. But in the last 100 years or so, fibers are also made from chemicals, and these are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers, which are not obtained from plants or animal source. These are called synthetic fiber because they are formed, yeah, they are prepared with the help of some chemicals, or they are man-made fibers. For example, like polyester, nylon and acrylic. Okay, so this was our topic. Today we discuss about natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about some plant fibers in detail, like cotton. Okay, our next topic is cotton. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you are not subscribed my channel, then please go to the subscribe button and subscribe it, like it and comment also.